Okay, good morning, welcome. Yes, here we are going to be telling you how to edit your website to your home taste. It's very simple and easy. Yes, just only a little steps that you are going to be taking to make things change. This is the website that we are going to be using as an example. Firstly, hope you can see my screen now. Then we have Army Tailor Services. This is it. This is the website. This is how it looks like. I'm going to tell you now how to change all these pictures, all these written words, everything. I'm going to tell you now. It's very easy. It's very easy. Okay, let's back to the business. Firstly, if you want to change this, you need to go to your back end. You call it your admin username and password, where you are going to log into your back end website. That is where you can edit your website. Yep. Okay, now this website is SamboTailoringServices.com. Then okay, I will open another tab so that I can log in, so that we can be seeing what we are changing. If you are changing anything here, this video, this picture, I want to change it so that you can see everything. Then let me come back to this place. Yes, this is the website we are working on. Then if you want to log into your admin, here you will type the website SamboTailoringServices.com. You will put /WP, which is your admin. Then okay, it's there already. Hope you can see it, /admin/ even though you can do it like this. So you will now, okay, I click enter. It will display the website that we are working on. Still loading. Yes, home. You can change home. You can change anything here as well, which is the company, showcase, offer, and also contact us, everything. You can change all these things. You can change all these things. You can change them all. Okay, let me go back to home. We are going to work with home first before moving to the next step. Working with home first. Is this one ready? Okay, it's ready now. Yeah, let's go. Now we want to change this picture now. I want to change this picture. How can we do this? Okay, let's go there. Then firstly, if you are to change this now, firstly you will come to this place, edit page. And let me tell you something. If you are working with home, you are working on your home, then you need to let your site be in that home. If you are working here, the company, and let your page be here as well. If you are working with this one, that is why you will see we are here already. Everything here is what we call home page. Then we are working with home page. Then we click on edit. Then from edit, it will show us everything. Let me open the site here as well. So we are going to do now. Here you will see something here like edit. Here is clone, which is copy, and here if you want to delete this box, then here you can delete them. Now we are not deleting them, we are trying to edit. Then you click on edit. You can see the picture. If you want to change the picture here, you remove it, and then you try to add another picture. Sometimes this place has a different types, two different way you can upload picture. Either you have the picture here, if you have it here, that is media library, then it will be displayed here. If you do not have it, you will come to upload. You come to upload, you will click file, select. Once you select your file, then which picture do you want to use? Let us use this, and we click open. It will load. Okay, you have done. Then we click select file. After that, you will click save. You will go down and see save. Then now you will click on save. You save your work. Then either if you wish to change all this rating, firstly you could be able to change the rating, which is adult reading made. Okay, yes, adult ready made. Then let me zoom so that you can see it clear. Okay, hope you can see it now. Adult. Okay, we are changing it to, okay, I'm just trying to add something to it. Adult ready made, come and buy. Yes, you go and save your work. Let me zoom out so that I can see save. Let me zoom out so that the save can be able to display. Yes, hope you can see it now. Save. Then you will save immediately. Then after that you will go to update. Let me zoom it so that you can see it. Update here. Update. Then this is it. Update. You will click update. Then after you will go back to what your work and then see how is it, either it change or not. Yes, can you see it? Yes, adults ready made, come and buy. Hope you can see it now. The same way you do this, you can do this. Same way you did it, do this. Same way you do blah 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 blah. Now if you want to change all this written aspect of it, all this, you will come here. It's the same process, just efficiency complex, something like this. Then this is it. Then here you need to be very careful when you are editing something here. All this arrow, you don't need to delete them. What you need to do is just to delete the text inside this thing. Hope you can see it clearly. Let me zoom it. You are working with only the text. You just delete the text. Maybe you want to, I don't want to delete, I just want to add something through talk. Hope you get through talk. Then you will go and save your work. Okay, now through talk. Then you will go. Yes, through talk. Then hope you can see now. Then so that we can save our work. Then now we are like try to look how we click that so that we can see what, maybe we can change anything, but nothing to change. Then what we have to do now is that we are going to go and update what our work. But okay, just to know, maybe we can change this picture, but no need. We don't need it. We don't need to change. We update. After that, we now try. After the updating, we try to go and see the changes that we made, if it will display here or not. Yes, it's still refreshing. Yes, it's loading. Yes, hope you can see it now. Hope you can see it. Everything is intact. Yes, all our changes have been saved. I can see we are good to go with that. Through talk, hope you can see it there now. Through talk is what we change other time, and then the chicken here is part of what we change. Yes, hope you can see it now.
sure.
Yes, we move. That is all about home page.
Now,
We have done with the home page. Now we are moving
we have
into
to,
the
like,
company.
this is the
The same
company.
step that we
If we are
did
want to
for
work
the one
with
we have
company,
done in home page
there
is
is a
the same
way
way we are going
of
to
doing
do
that.
editing
Hope you
of
can see it now.
the company,
Yes,
which is the next
that is
page to the home
the
page.
company.
Now, having said that,
Actually,
we
the company
yes, we are
simple
already
because
in
the
the
same
company
steps
now.
that we
We
took
want to
over that
change the
time when we
content,
were
and
when
then if
we changed
possibly we can change
those
something like image
when
as
we
well,
change our content
just
in
to
O,
show the
is
sample
the
of
same steps
this,
that we are
how
going to
you
be
can be
taking here at
easily
work
edit
when
your
we have been
page.
trying to
Yes,
change
I'm trying
our
to like
content
open that
in
one so
this
that
place as well.
we can be see what we are working on. Yes, it's still loading. It's loading now, because and make sure that your cursor should be in that page that you wanted to edit. Make sure you click it and let the background of the page be the one that you want to what before you click edit. Hope you get what I'm saying now. That one is still loading. Yes, now can you see what I'm saying? Sambo Tailoring Services Home of Faction. Yes, this is what you want to do now. We want to change this so that you can see it. Either we change it or we add something to it so that we just want you guys to know how it works. Yes, now we are try what we are going to do now. I'm going to type something so that you can see it by yourself. I'm going to type something like keep it up. Keep it up. I want to know if this keep it up is going to display on the on our normal work. Before it was not there, but now we just added it and we need to know see if it's going to change. And more also, we are still going to do some editing as well for some kind places, which is the image. We are going to like change this image, which we call feature image. We are going to replace it with another one. This image you are seeing there on my screen, yes, you can change it. Okay, either you use any of this or you upload. Now we want to use this as an example. The one we click, then we click enter, then it's loading. The picture is loaded now. Okay, still remains more good. We are good to go. Yes. Now, want to see, can you see the picture that is already on the work before, but now we are trying to make a changes so that you should know how it works now. Hope you are following. Now you will see it now here, how it will be. Then you can see something here as well. Now I'm going to try to add to this space. And this place you need to be very, very careful, very, very careful. If we are editing, if you are working on this place, because there is an arrow here, that if you are working with, you don't need to delete those arrows. What you just have to do is for you to just like edit what you want to change, delete those things and then leave those arrows, because those arrows have something to do with your page. That is the one that make your page to be like list, so that it will not just go straight forward, something like that. It will have a drop down. Hope you get it now. Okay. We have Sabo Tailoring Services. It's a professional unisex something blah 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 blah. But now we are trying to add something like visit us with a capital letter. Visit us on. Then we are going to update it. We update our work so that we see if it's going to change or not. We have done with the changes. Yes, we have done with it. Then we are waiting now so that we should see if
it will change or not. Okay, we save our work. After saving, what next is updating. Then we try to update. After we update, we now go on. We are still searching for okay, update. After that, now we are going back to our website to see if the changes that we made has already been done. We are going to open it now so that we should see. Okay, now what we are going to do is what we call refresh. We refresh the site to know, yes, perfect one. Hope you can see it now. Keep it up and see the pictures here now. It's not the normal picture that was there before. Hope you can see it yourself. It is not what is hard as we think. It is very easy and it is clear. It is what we just sit down and do by ourselves. When we are talking of now, it is an opportunity for you. You can upload any of your pictures, any of your written words, change anything you like on your website by yourself. Now, this picture now, we just want to see if we want to change the picture. We want to change the picture now. Then I'm trying to search for the best picture that can like make the work perfect. Okay, we want to see if this one is going to work as well. We want to see if it can work. Okay, now we want to know if the changes we made is perfect or not. Yes, good, perfect one. Hope you can see it now. The change we made has been applied to the work. Hope we can see what I'm talking about now. Then, perfect work, perfect job, perfect job. Yeah.
Okay, now we want to work on contact us. Then I told you last time, if you are working on any page, you need to click that page so that you will know that you are working with this also exact page. Let me go back here as well. Let me go back. Our site is loading now. Okay, let's go. Yes, home. Okay, contact us. This is everything about the contact us. Then we want to change this contact us. This form is what people will, if they fill it, it will land into your mail, to your email, so that you can see what they were asking you for. Then here is what we are going to do now, which is okay, contact us. That's where we want to. Okay, now, yes, this is where we want to work now. Okay, let's change this contact us to another thing so that we can see what we are doing. Maybe we are on the same line. Okay, as I said earlier, what you need to do is by going to edit. Please don't forget edit. You don't need to even go in here at all. This copy, no. Just come to the edit and edit your work. Yes, that edit now is loading. You will edit your work there. Then after that, it's loading. Okay, now let us change this contact us to something else, like okay, contact with us. Let us just do it like contact. Then we want to change like two things here so that you will understand. Yes, this is the form that you saw that time. This is the form, contact form, something, blah 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 blah. Okay, now we are going to that written words there. Okay, contact. So this thing is like 2. Contact with us. This is the contact with us that we want to change now. This is the contact with us. We change it to contact. Then this contact us now, we change this contact with us. Let's say reach us. Okay, let's go there. You can change it to reach. Is it here? You can change it to, I told you, you need to be careful when you are editing something like this, because it's not just a written something, it's what we call a link pen. Okay, just contact us. Then now, if you are try to do something like this, you just say okay, reach us. Reach us. Okay, I need to save. Let me zoom out. Okay, save. Hope you can see save now. We save our work. Then if we still need to change any other things, we are specialized. We are specialized, so something like that. Okay, you can as well change this, but when changing it, please, I told you earlier, you need to be very extra careful when dealing with all this arrow that I'm showing you here. They are this arrow that I highlighted, they are so much important. All these things now, they are so much important. Don't delete them, because they are the one that make the work to be like in a list form. Can you see it now? If not, this thing now that you are seeing here, it will be going. It will not like list like this. It will be like just in a column form. From here now, it will be going. It will reach something like here. It will be going. That is the work of all of this thing that I highlighted. That's what they are doing. If you are editing, you need to be careful. Don't delete them. That is the reason why I showed you last time. Then okay, let me type something like we are good to go. I'm just using only one hand though, please. We are good to go. Okay, let me zoom out so that you can see. Let me zoom out so that you can see what we are doing. Okay, now I have zoomed out. Then let's go and save our work. Then yes, we have changed like 3 things now. Number 1, we here. Number 2, reach us instead of contact us. Number 3, contact instead of contact with us. Then now let's go and update the changes and see what is going to our site is going to look like. Okay, hope you can see it now. All these things now need to be changed. Then update. We refresh our site so that it will change. It can occur. Can you see it? Contact instead of contact with us. Then reach us instead of contact us. Then here we are good to go. Hope we all get it now. Yes, that's just it about that as well. Anyway, thank you. The next thing that we are going to show you now is this. I will still come back to the home page. Then we are still going to tell you about how to pay online with from your site. People can pay for the goods they bought from your site. If they buy something, they can be able to pay, and you can be able to receive alert to your bank account. I'm going to tell you everything concerning that. Then this is it here now. Can you see this place, this home page, like video here? Yes, you can put picture, which is image as well. It's not the same way we do this. We do all this that we can be able to do this. This place is quite different from the other side. Okay, and now I'm going to show you again in the next video. I'm going to show you like 3 things together. This one is number 1. this place. The second one is how to buy. The third one is here. Let me click on this so that I can show you what and what we are going to teach you. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, sorry. Offer. Let me go to that offer so that you can see if we have anything different. Okay, it's still in to contact us. Let me go back to the offer. Offer. Load fast. Yes, this image. Okay, I've showed you how to change this image. Yes, see, let me change this image so that it can be, before I stop this video, let me go back. Before I stop this video, let me change the image first. Yes, hope you can see it now. Offer. I want to change this image to our own taste. Yes, how can you do this? It's very easy. You come back to our bank end. From the back end, then you come to edit. Let me zoom it so that it will not, you will not be so confused. Okay, edit. Then from this edit now, we can edit the thing and change this picture to our own taste. This is the only picture that I want to change now. That is the only picture that I want to change. It's loading. Okay, you can change that picture in two ways. Number one, you can see the picture here already. This is the picture. Or if you don't want to use it here, I show you this one when we are in the home page. Then you can as well change this thing from here, which is header image. Then you just pick any of the picture that you just like to use. Then after that, you just click on the picture. Then you will see how it's going to look like. We update. If you update and see how our site is looking, the way it shows now, let's see how it is going. Okay, you are welcome back. Now what we are going to be talking about is what I told you last time that I'm going to teach you, which is how to change this. You can turn this video to image, or how to buy as well. Then firstly, let's come to this side and see what you can do, how to change this. This is the home page. Hope you can see our cursor here now that is turning. So can you see this one is, but our cursor is here. That is why you can see the white color. Yes, we are in our home page. Then now what we are going to do is what we call slider revolution. There's something we call slider revolution. Hope you can see it now from the end. Slider revolution, this is it. Slider revolution, and you will come to, I want to zoom it so that you can be able to see it clearly. Slider revolution. Then you will come to home tailor. Yes, because it depends on the name of your website that you see. You can see home rig farm, you can see home Remcraft, something like that. But here you see home tailor. Then you will click on that home tailor. Then after that, then now it's loading. Okay, yes, what I'm trying to say here, can you see it? Now once you click here. If you want to change this, Army Tailor Services clothes that suits you, you can change this from here. Once you click on the text, it will display here as well. Let me zoom so that you can see it clearly. Okay, yes, this is what I'm saying. Once you click here, anything you click here, it will display here. If I click here as well, if I click this, it's going to be displaying there as well. Hope you can see it. That is where you can be able to change your text. But now, what are we going to work on now? Here too, you can change the logo. Can you see the logo now that is changed? We change it from here. Yes. But now that video is what we are going to work on. Here you will click outside. This is the outside of the thing, and if you don't, you will just, this is what we call slide BG animation. That is the video here. You will click here, it will display. Then the reason why it did not display here is because we are not in line with the video. Here is where we are going to click. Here, hope you can see it now. We click here, yes, it will display the video. Now if you want to use a video, we have HTML5 videos. Then we also have, we click this arrow. Let me zoom it so that you can see it as clearly, okay, as much as possible. Okay, hope you can see it now. Yes, now if you want to use image, you can click this arrow, then you can see it. If you press like this, it will show you image. If you put anything now, it's image that is going to display for the background instead of this video. Instead of this video, it will just display only image. But if you are using video, you will now click here. You will click to that HMTV video, and if you are using video, your YouTube video, any of the video, that's what we click on. Then here we click on this. Okay, let us use image before we put the video back so that we can see what we are talking about. We click media library. We click on that media library. Then let's try to use any of these. Yes, we see now yes. Okay, after that, once you are done with that, then you will click, yes, you will click what, save. You will click save. Then once you click save, you will see the picture display here. Then after that, you will come to this site. But let me tell you something, sometimes it's possible that the changes might not change immediately. If it takes time sometimes, but sometimes the network causes a little problem sometimes. But don't be panic, everything is going to set as well. Just be doing another thing. That's just it about that. Okay, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to refresh again. Hope it's going to change or not. If it did not change, we just leave it like that. But that is how it's all about the changes, and it's a matter of network. Hope you can see now is the network issue. Then okay, now having said that, hope we understood how to change this image now. Hope you get it. Yes, okay, I said that I'm going to show you how to make payment as well. Let me zoom out. How to make payment. Okay, how to make payments. This is the buy now. Yes, you can change it to buy anything anyhow you want it. Yes, let me go now on how to make payments on your site. Then before then, maybe when we come back after that, maybe this one might have changed by then when we refresh. Okay, let's go there. We come to your WordPress admin. I told you last time, this is your WordPress admin. This place, dashboard. We call it dashboard. Okay, now how to do that, making payment. Yes, making payment is very easy. You will go to appearance. From appearance, you check menu. Can you see it? Oh, sorry, let me zoom it so that it can be more clear to us, so that we will not be confused. Appearance. From appearance, you come to menu. You click on that menu. You click on your menu. You click on menu. Yes. Now, if you want to, like, okay, you can see all this thing here now. Home, company. Oh, this thing has been zoomed. All this home, company, about that is here. This is how it is arranged here. Home, the company, showcase, offer, contact us and buy. You can like rearrange this as you like. Just put your cursor, hold it down and drag it. Can you see that this showcase now is now up and this one come down. Buy now can come up as well. Hope you can see it now, and it can come down as well. Just depend on how you will save your work, but it just depend on how you want it to do what to be. Yes. Okay, now this buy now is, it has a link which we call custom link. Can you see the custom link here? It has a link which we call custom link. Here, this box you can close, you can open and close the box. Open and close. What happened to this cursor now? Open, you can open. Okay, as I was saying, yes, you have to generate a link from either Paystack or Flutterwave. But for me, I know much about that Paystack. Then you will register with Paystack. Paystack will generate a link for you, and the registration is free. It's the link that we are going to bring down to this place, which is how to buy. You can buy and sell on your page. Hope you get it now. Yes, after that you close it, and then once you put the link and everything, you made changes, anything like that, you save. And also you can add to this thing if you wish from here. This is what we call, what we save. It has been saved. Then now you can add for anything, page. All this thing is page. You can add more page, and then anything like that, you can add it to your website. Okay, thank you very much. After you click, once you click, you come to add. Immediately if you add, it is going to add to this. Let me use this one as example. I will delete it again. Add. You will see it now displaying here. Hope you can see it now. Sabo Taylor Services Clinic, it's here now. Hope you see it now. Then I'm going to delete it. I don't want it. I remove it. I don't want it to display. Hope you.
Okay, I believe you get it like that. Then the next thing you have to do is to save your work. Then after that, perfectly, you don't have issue again.
Okay, the last but not the least, what we are going to working on now is what we call footer. Footer simply means the bottom part of your website, which is this, where we see our mission, our vision. Contact us as well. You can put your logo if you wish. Then here is what we are going to work on now, and how to change this 2021 and something. Yes, that's what we are going to be working on now. Then how can we do this? Is by what is very easy and simple. Then what you are going to do, let me come back to this side first before that, so that we can see what we are. Okay, I try to open another tab so that we can be seeing what we are trying to change, if it's changing or not. Okay, like now this is another tab that I hope I want to open, that I want to click on it now. Yes, now we want to work on this thing here. How can we do that? This is what we call customize. Let me zoom it so that you can see it more clear. Okay, customize. Hope you can see it now. We click on that customize. After that, it's loading. Okay, yes, now it's load. Okay, now this is a customize. Now this is a pop out something now, where we are going to be working on. This is what we want to change: our home, our vision, and contact us. How can we do this? Is by clicking on the widget. Then this is the footer I'm talking about. We have like 5 here, and it depends. You can still add more if you wish. And now how can you do this? Is by clicking on first footer, which is our vision. You click on that, you got it. Click on this. I try to zoom it so that you can see it clearly. Then Yes, we are moving forward. Then we are waiting for this thing. Okay, this is the logo here. If you wish to change the logo, you will click on it. Then you will come here, come to this side, add media. You can add it as a media if you wish. Virtual text, I told you last time, or text, anyone can add it. Let's try to change this logo now. We want to change what is there, what was there before, to new. Okay, let's use this image, insert post. Can you see it now? It has changed. Then we need to publish our work. It's going to change immediately. Before you publish, you will be seeing this one as it's changing. But you can see it is very big, and we need to reduce the size. Okay, we didn't delete this. We need to delete this as well. We need to remove this. Okay, can you see it how I remove it? You just click on it, and then it will remove. Then because I zoomed this thing to zoom, there is no way it's like difficult to make some changes. Hope you can see the way I reduce the size now. You just click on it, the way you crop something. Now it's done. Then you will click publish. This is for that, that is for that, that is for that, that is for that. It's published already. You will now go back again to the second footer, which is our vision. The second footer is our vision. Let's see how to change this to our own taste. Yes, you click on that. Yes, this is our vision. You can change it to, maybe it is good. It is good. The way you are changing this one now, you will be seeing it as well. It will be displaying. It is good. Oh, you can see it now. It is good instead of our mission. And this we get to have. Okay. Now you will now come back here. I told you need to be careful with this arrow or this arrow. Don't tamper with them. Just try to look for what you wanted to change to enhance the quality of life for our. Okay, to enhance the quality of life, you can just add something like, but when times come, something like that. You will be seeing it the way it's be changing here. As I'm typing it, it will continue like changing there. But when time comes, hope you can see it now. Now we will not do more than that for now, because we have a lot of things to do. Then after that, you will click publish. We click publish. Then we now go back again. Then we come to third, which is our vision. But we are not going to tamper with that, because we are working with the same template. The same thing you did for this is what you are going to do as well for this vision. We change it if you want. This one as well, you edit it as well. Then let's go back. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. This 1, this 2, this 3, this 4. That is how it was arranged. You need to be following them according to the way the thing is arranged. Okay, this is it. Contact center. This contact center. Then your email. You type your email here. Yes, that is what I'm saying as well. This highlighted, this thing that I highlighted, and here, these 2 arrows, you just leave it the way it is. If you want to edit, just try to edit all these things that I highlighted. Yes, can you see all these things did not follow the highlighted one? Just try to make sure you did not cancel all this. Just try to remove what you want to change and put what you made to your own taste, what you want. Then good. Yeah, after that you publish. That's just it about that. Now what next? Okay, after that, let's move forward and see. Let me reduce the size. Let me zoom out. We have done with that. Okay, we have done with that. Okay, Facebook, Twitter, let's go there and see. We are still in the fourth line. Let me move to that side as well so that you can see how to do that as well. Okay, this is your contact us, your Facebook page. Facebook, find us here. Okay, this find us here. This is a place, this is where you see something like hash. We just delete the only hash, leave all this sign there, only the hash key, only the hash. You will delete it and make sure your Facebook link is the one you are going to type here. This is Facebook. And if it is Instagram, maybe there is no Instagram here. Only thing that you are going to do here is for you to just remove Facebook and type Instagram. It's going to bring out the Instagram logo. It's going to bring the Instagram logo. Instagram. Okay, not bring it because we didn't have our, this thing is not there, our link. How do you say we put our link? It will display that Facebook because our link is not there. That is why it's like displaying that. Yes, that's just it about that as well. After that, you will click publish. Let's see those changes we made, if it's been changed or not. Okay, are we good to go? Let's go there and see. Refresh. Okay, can we see it now? This is the logo now. It is good. Can you see? But when time comes, but when time, now right is okay. Can you see the changes now? That's just it about that. Now, how can we change this 2021? That is your update of all rights reserved. How can you change this? Okay, I'm coming. That's where you are going to work now. How to change that as well. Okay, as I was saying, how to change this place. Okay, now what are we going to do? We come back to our admin back end. Yes, this is our WordPress. This is where we now click. This is the theme that we are going to use now. It's the theme we are working with. We call it Big Theme. Yes, now we will now come to here. This box, you will check for theme options. That is where we can be able to change our result, something. Okay, it's load. Okay, it has been load. Yes, now here, how to change something like that. This place, how to change it to your own taste. We now come back here. This is our admin. We now come to footer. I told you we are working with footer. Then there is something we call copyright. Hope you can see it. It's what we call copyright. This C, it simply means copyright. I mean, this C is copyright. Yes, now you will now be looking for where you will find copyright. You will see it here. Hope you can see it. copyright. You from here you copy all these things you want it, because it will not be like this before. You are the one, or anything that you just want to just be displayed there, then it's what you are going to type there, type it there, and then paste it, and you save your work. Like now, let us add something to this. Let us try to add something to this. Let us try to add something. Nicholas 27 Ventures, and see if the changes is going to show or not. And then we just make everything practical. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Okay, let's go and refresh if the changes have been applied or not. You are going to see it here. We just put only Nicholas 27 Ventures. Let me see, maybe the changes have been reflect. Sorry, what is going on? It has not. Okay. What happened? Let me copy the name here. Write yourself, Control V. I don't place it there and see. To check the changing, maybe to change or not. Let's see. Let's save sharp. Okay, let's go back. Then here we refresh it again. I don't understand why it did not change at that time. This should be network. This should be, because this one has not changed as well since. Also, this one has not changed as well. Anyway, yes, that should be network, but don't be panic. Once you are doing your work, it's going to change. I'm not sure. That is just it about that. Yes, that is the only way you can change all these things. Yes, that is the only way you can change them all. Okay, can you see what I'm saying now? Let's see the home. You see the home now that it has changed. You know, it was a video before, but now the image that we, this is the image that we used at that time that did not change, but we later on changed now. That's what I'm saying concerning this as well. It will soon change. It's just a matter of the network. Sometimes normally happen like that. Let me refresh again if it's going to change or not, or if it did not change, don't be panic, it will soon change. Okay, that's just it about that. I believe I'm done with that. Then just to remind you guys that this website is for a year website, which is domain and hosting. It's going to expire after 1 year, but actually I haven't known much about EDC plan, but I don't think maybe EDC can be upgrading it for you guys. Maybe you want to do renewal, or because I can never tell, but it depends, sure. But maybe after a year individually will be now renew the website by themselves, no problem. But all is well. But our own plan, we for EDC, we subsidize price for you guys when time comes. Don't be panic. God will take total control of everything. And in all what I've said earlier, if you are still facing any difficulties, just try to reach nicholas27.com or nicholas27@gmail.com, or call Nicholas27 at 07033958284. Love you guys. I wish you success in your endeavors. Thank you. I appreciate you guys for the love of the website. Thank you. Bye.